Before you put your garden to bed this fall, there's one simple step that can completely transform your soil and give you bigger, healthier harvests next spring: planting the right cover crops. In this video, I'm sharing the top 7 cover crops you should plant right now for a stronger, more productive vegetable garden next year. Let's jump in. First on the list is hairy vetch. This is a nitrogen-fixing powerhouse. Over winter, it quietly builds up a huge amount of nitrogen in your soil, which is perfect for heavy-feeding crops like tomatoes, squash, and corn. It also produces thick organic matter that feeds the soil microbiology your garden depends on. Next is winter rye. If you want a tough, cold-hardy cover crop that conditions your soil and suppresses weeds, this is it. Winter rye has an incredible root system that prevents erosion and builds long-term soil structure. It's especially useful in beds that need a little rehab or have been depleted over the season. Number 3 is crimson clover. This one is not only a nitrogen fixer, but also a beautiful flowering pollinator magnet in early spring. Those bright red blossoms bring in beneficial insects, and the plant is easy to grow and easy to terminate when you're ready to plant your vegetables. Fourth is Austrian winter peas. These vines fix nitrogen just like vetch or clover, but with an added bonus: the young shoots are edible and delicious. They're perfect for salads or stir-fries, and they grow well in raised beds and in-ground gardens alike. Fifth on the list is buckwheat. If you're running late in the season or you need something that establishes quickly, buckwheat is your best friend. It grows fast, smothers weeds, and produces a ton of organic matter. Even a short growing window can make a big difference. Number 6 is Daikon Radish, sometimes called a biodrill. Its long taproot breaks up compacted soil naturally, improves drainage, and helps loosen dense clay. After it dies back in winter, the root decomposes and leaves behind nutrient-rich channels that improve soil structure for the next crop. And finally, number 7 is white clover. This perennial cover crop can be used between garden beds as a living pathway, and the leaves are edible with a mild, sweet flavor. It fixes nitrogen, attracts pollinators, and creates a soft, living carpet that protects your soil year-round. Planting any one of these cover crops will give your soil a huge boost, but combining 2 or more can create an even stronger effect. To plant them, simply broadcast the seed thickly, lightly rake or press them into the soil, and water once. Fall rains will take it from there. Then, in spring, you can either mow them down, crimp them, or turn them into mulch depending on your gardening style. Cover crops are one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your garden for free. If you want healthier soil, fewer weeds, and bigger yields next season, start with these 7. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which cover crop you're planting this fall.